Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be my giveaway winnings from Samantha Labar's giveaway challenge that she had on Instagram. She hosted it about a month ago, you guys, and I'm so excited. I got my winnings, and look at this humongous box, you guys. There is chipboard stickers, which I will be tearing and using because you guys know I just save everything. And this box is adorable. I love it so much. It's a great size. I might save it as well to use it for future shipping, and it's decorated with a bunch of Christmas stuff, you guys. It's a cute box, and there are so many goodies here. I am so excited. So if I sound super giddy, it's because I am, you guys. This like totally made my Friday. So she added a bunch of extras, and she's just amazing. So in this giveaway challenge, these are the prizes that and I think it was like you had to send in like memory decks, bag topper, and embellishments. So yeah, I'm so excited. I couldn't believe it when I was tagged on Instagram that I won. I was like uber excited because me and her are semi-friends and we deal with each other. She's always purchasing stuff from me, and she's just a total sweetheart. And she was excited, I was excited. I was like, oh my gosh, I never win anything, and I love hosting giveaways, but I'm just not as good as winning on them. But yeah, I was excited, you guys. So this wasn't a total extra, and it was some Maggie Holmes goodies. And she sent me the pockets, the little Maggie Holmes pockets from the confetti collection. She sent me the flowers from the open book collection, and I love these so much. I have like 2 packs, but you can never have enough Maggie Holmes flowers. And then I got the 44 mixed ephemera from the confetti collection, the vellum ones. Love these. I love anything confetti, you guys know it. And then you guys, I'll show you this later on, but let me show you her cute little embellishments that she sent me. So she sent me this super cute memory decks card for Halloween using the, what was the name of that? Hey Pumpkin collection. Adorable. She makes the cutest crafts, you guys. I'm gonna have her link down below. Go check her out, give her a follow, and tell her that I sent you her way. You guys, she sent me this tote bag, and these are all extras, you guys. I'm gonna tell you what was part of the prize. Look at this bag. It's a Hocus Pocus bag, and it says, just took a DNA test. Turns out I'm 100% that witch. This bag gives me so much life. I love it. Sammy, if you are watching, thank you so much, girly. I love that bag. It's adorable. And then she sent me this, which was also an extra. And you guys, look at this. It is an easel, so like a frame, and it is beautiful. So we're gonna take it out of this package, and I'm so gonna display this on my desk. You guys see how that goes? Look how beautiful this is. I love it. It is so pretty. And I'm not sure if it's using the, I think it's a little combination of Merry Days and the snowflake, or maybe just snowflake. I'm not sure. So pretty. I love this so much, and I'm going to display that. I definitely have to take pictures because I want to post a picture of all her goodies on Instagram. And look, you guys, she also made me another memory decks card. Look at that. Super cute. Definitely have to put those on my little spinners. And then look at this tag. Isn't that adorable? Look at this. So pretty. I love it so much. And then the other extra is a bag topper. And look how cute. She is such a crafty girl. Look at that. I love it. I love that she added handmade goodies into the prize. That's amazing. I love it so much. And look, you guys, this was also not even part of the prize. It's just what she added. She gave me a whole tub of the Tiny Treasures from Michael's, where you get the spiders and the bats. Amazing. And then this was also part of the prize, a Starbucks like hot and cold cup, and it has like all these sparkles, and it's super heavy, you guys. So cool. I love it. Wifey and my daughter are trying to steal it, but it's not happening. And then you guys, this was also part of the prize. So you got a little mini envelope punch board. And then you also got a, which one? The bigger one. Now, I already own these, so I'm going to be including these as to kind of just, what is it? How is it? Like passing it forward. I'm going to be putting these in my giveaways for my 12 Days of Christmas Jingle Lil series, so stay tuned for that. This is probably going to be 2 different separate prizes. And then I also got the Heidi Swap Memory Decks dies, and I do have the green ones, but these I can't part with because I didn't get the white ones, and I just want to have a backup. I love these so much. And you guys, that was not all. Like, that was a bunch already. I also got, she sent me the cutest card. I also got a $25 gift card to Michael's. And I got, that's not it, you guys, a $50 gift card to Scrapbookcom. Yep. Look at her card, how cute. Yeah, you guys, that was everything that I won from her giveaway, and that was just amazing. When I was tagged that I won, I was like jumping up and down. I woke up my daughter like at 1 a.m. and I was like, I know you don't care, but guess what? I won. I'm so excited. And she's like, okay, mom. Okay. Oh my gosh. Sammy, if you're watching, thank you so much. You're a sweetheart. You know, I've already told you that. And I'm so excited that I won. I can't wait to pick up a bunch of stuff with my gift cards. And it just made my day. It made my month. And yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what's your favorite. I love everything. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.